How to verify your Bitget account? Firstly, make sure you open your preferred web browser and in the search address bar search for the Bitget official website and log into your account using your credentials. Then once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Then a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, tap on the identity verification. Then click on the Verify button to start the verification process. Now all you have to do is choose your country or region from the list and scroll down and look for it from the all available list. Then once done so, you will have to select the type of identification document you will use, example ID card, passport or driving license. Choose any according to your preferences, then continue. Now upload clear image of the front and back of your chosen ID. Since we are using the web browser from the desktop, so you will have to log in to the or do same procedure from the mobile device and ensure all details are legible and the images are free from glare or obstructions. From your scan to your mobile device and submit for review.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.